Hello everyone, using Owl3D for Netflix or Disney Plus but seeing a black screen. Audio works, but no video? The fix is simple. I'll show you how on Chrome, Edge, and Firefox. If you use Google Chrome, first step, click the three dots in the top right corner and select Settings. Then find System in the left-hand menu. Turn off the switch, use graphics acceleration when available. And make sure to click the Relaunch button that pops up to apply the changes. Next is Microsoft Edge. It's very similar. Click the three dots in the top right and go to Settings. Then, look for System and Performance on the left. Find the option Use Graphics Acceleration when available, and turn it off. Don't forget restart the browser. Next, Firefox, which is a bit trickier. Click the menu button in the top right and go to Settings. Scroll down in the General tab until you find Performance. You must uncheck Use Recommended Performance Settings. Then, turn off Use Hardware Acceleration and restart Firefox. Once that's set, the black screen is gone, and the video is playing perfectly now. Go to set up your browser and start enjoying your high-quality movies.